thank you so much for 30k subscribers on YouTube. Yes, 30,000 followers I have reached today on this 28th of May 2025. I'm so happy, I'm so glad that my Eurovision content has really hit off and I have gained so many new subscribers. But my channel is not just about Eurovision, it's about beach, as my channel is called Beach Adventures with Kris, ESC. ESC standing for Eurovision Song Contest. So I have made a nice combo of the two best things in life for me, beach and Eurovision. And the trainings and physical activities in between, including swimming, cycling, running and dancing. So quite a nice combo of, I would say, the three best things I love, which is beach, Eurovision and workout. Yeah, so thank you so much. I'm so happy and my content is still growing strong, so I'm super busy currently with all my Eurovision content, but I obviously come to the beach as well, not just to film Eurovision dances but also to take a swim and to enjoy a bit. Now today it's cloudy, but it feels a lot warmer than yesterday. Currently it is 16 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the water I just measured is 15. Few minutes back there was no wind, it was so warm. Now it's a bit chillier, but still super nice and warm. And this is Långsjöbadet, located in Långsjön area, close to Älvsjö. That's on the commuter train line in Stockholm here. Actually, all the commuter train lines pass through Älvsjö. Basically, there are trains every 2 to 3 minutes. And I have been actually on that jetty over there 1 week ago for my post Eurovision depression video when I was telling you about. Today I decided to be on this jetty, as there are actually 4 different jetties here on this beach that's located on this lake that in translation means long lake. And you can see it's quite long, but not so wide as such. And I was planning to jump today because to celebrate the 30k subscribers. So why not jump? It's it's a fantastic day. So let's go in with the very first jump of the season in Sweden. And it is also beach day number 20 on my Sweden Beach Adventures. It is 2:30 p.m. by the way, and there is basically nobody here on the beach. A few people that are passing by, as this is a people that are walking around the lake, obviously. Okay, so shall we jump? I mean, why not? You only live once, right? It's a nice way also to celebrate the 30,000 subscribers on my channel. So thank you all for that, and ready, set and go. It was amazing. It was amazing. It's not that cold actually. 15 degrees in the water. It's quite nice. Brilliant. Amazing. Fantastic indeed. I'm so happy to be able to go on different beach adventures every day in the beautiful nature of Stockholm, my hometown where I live actually. And yeah, now also I have been welcomed with some song to celebrate also my 30k subscribers. Now today is Wednesday and it looks like tomorrow is going to be super nice weather, and I need to fix the tire on my squat. Why? Because I also came here today with my hybrid Ghost, and tomorrow is gonna be warmer, so maybe I can take my road cube bike to the sea. Let's see. Let me show you a bit more of my beach for today. And then it only took me 5.5 kilometers to get here. So around 13 minutes, I think it was one way. Cool. So yes, I really enjoyed this jump in the water. I'm gonna swim a bit more because it's quite cozy here. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Thank you again for 30k subs on YouTube, and I'm gonna see you soon again, definitely, on my channel that is called Beach Adventures with Kris.